Hi, my name is Liang, and this is my internship presentation. Why I chose my internship? The internship that I chose is IDS297R, which is an applied ALPS, Applied Learning Project, basic, and it does not require any experience. It doesn't. You don't have to be a business major to do analytic work. You get hands-on experiences, and it also improves your resume because not only your academic experience is important, it is also important to get real-world experience in working, so that it helps you stand out from the crowd when you are applying for a job in the future. Also, I've been debating whether my major fits me, and my major was communication, so I have to see it for myself if that's the kind of work that I want to do. The process that I went to obtain my internship is that I have received an email from the Business and Communication Department about the ALPS project, which is hosted by the RBDC, Research and Business Development Center. And if you click on the links on the left-right corner, it will take you to the ALPS website, and you will be able to see the most current projects there for that semester. And you will be able to choose the projects that you're most interested in. Things that I've learned in this class, first of all, is flexibility, because sometimes it takes the client for a while to figure out what it is best for them. So it's important to be patient and work with the client with flexibility and to help them figure out what is best for them. Also, the second thing that I've learned is teamwork, because everybody is not the same major, and everybody have different strengths and weaknesses and different skills, and have taken different classes. It is important to get to know your teammates so that you can work more efficiently together. How my experience fit into future plans. After taking this class, I have decided to change my major because I have found out that communication is not what I'm most passionate about. So I changed my major to psychology. Even though that I changed my major, this class helped me gain real-world experience of the field, and it also helped me to be more confident in future job seeking after graduation, because now I have real-world experience knowing how feasibility study works and how to do analytic works. Lastly, some advice for future interns is don't be afraid to ask for help. Even when you feel like you don't know much about analytic works, there are always people there to help you, such as your TAs and your professors. So good luck!